So hello everyone and welcome to DC East Universe, your one-stop shop for all news related to DC. And today's news is a news about the renewal of DC Universe, the rebranding of DC Universe, and it is being now called as DC Universe Infinite. And we all know that DC Universe shows like Swamp Thing, Titans, Doom Patrol, and Harley Quinn the animation, and also the Young Justice series, animated series, is moving to HBO Max. We all know that DC Doom Patrol is already being renewed for season 3 on HBO Max, and after it's leaving the service of DC Universe, the DC Universe was left with only shows like Titans and Harley Quinn the animation show. But now it is being confirmed by the HBO Max head of media team and also by Warner Media that DC Universe will now be featuring only the DC Comics, 24,000 plus DC Comics over 80 years, which is being published by DC, and it will be called a premium digital comics online portal known as DC Universe Infinite. It is a kind of same thing like Marvel's Unlimited, but it is better than Marvel's Unlimited because in Marvel's Unlimited you don't have the exclusive and new comics coming out soon, but in this you can have all the comics coming out digitally or releasing digitally just after 6 months of its original release. And also the shows like Titans, which are still on DC Universe, they will also for the third season. I think it will come on DC Universe, but it will be mainly going to HBO Max. And also we are confirmed now that Harley Quinn the animation series has now been renewed for season 3, and it will also be going for HBO Max. So HBO Max has gained a lot of DC content, and it will be perfect for them as they have set the foot on the right direction in the subscription war, as they have already gained a huge amount of 36 million subscriber in first 35 days of release. And now the next news, it is the Batman Day today. We all know that Zack Snyder has now posted officially his favorite scene from BVS, and he is teasing that why Batman is the greatest comic hero superhero from DC Universe. So I think you all like the video, so please like, share and subscribe the video, and DC forever.